Hey, what is up, everybody? It is a beautiful morning and we're going to head on down to the Oklahoma Auto Exchange. That is a dealer-only auction located in downtown Oklahoma City. Let's head out there right now. You guys cross your fingers, maybe we can find us a good deal out there this morning. Look at this little cream puff here. Got ourselves a Taurus. What year is this? 97. She's an oldie, but look at the miles, how low they are on it. Let's look inside of this old girl. Oh no, the door panel's missing. Both door panels are missing. Not sure what's going on there. We've even got a package tray missing in the back. I don't know what's going on with that. Otherwise, she's decent, but boy, I hate seeing stuff like that. When I see stuff like that, I just walk away. Sorry, but we ain't messing with that.
3, 4, 5.
This one here went for $800 on a call. It was a pusher though. What is this? 08 Ford Expedition. What's the miles? A bit high on the miles for my taste. I try to stay under 200,000 miles if I can, but if it's nice enough and the year's new enough, you know, I will go ahead and buy something with this many miles on it. But this one being a pusher, I think I will, I'll pass. It's got your typical broken stuff in here as always. These things are almost always broken. Third row seating though. I mean, hell, the body's in good shape, the paint's in good shape, the clear coat's not peeling off. Everything seems to be intact under the hood, but you never know, man. It could be a blown head gasket. It could be a lot of reasons why this thing's not running. It could be something simple. It could be something major. You just never know. You got to roll the dice, and I'm not willing to do it for 800. I'd do it for 5. I know it's kind of dark, kind of hard to see, but the interior in here is actually in really good shape. Kind of dirty, but still good shape though. So what do we got here? Let's see. A little Kia Spectra wagon. It says 06, 165,000 miles, which is really low, but man, this thing is rough. Somebody has spray painted the whole thing and it's peeling off, and it ran terrible. I'll fire it up for you guys. I'll be sure not to shut the door on this one. You won't get out. I just seen somebody else get stuck in this one a minute ago. Well, alright, she does fire up, but she runs horribly. Really, really dirty on this one. I don't know, she'd have to go really cheap for me to be interested in it, because it's going to need a full paint job and everything. So we'll keep our eye on it. Yeah, you can see here where all the paint's peeling off of it. They didn't sand this thing down at all, I don't believe. Overspray all over the windows. Had to scrape the overspray off just to see the VIN number. So she needs some work, that's for sure. So the little Kia went for $300 on a call. No title on that one, bill of sale only. A little Taurus here. Let's see what we got. '01 Taurus, 155,000 miles. She was a pusher, and it went for 200 bucks. So, I mean, hell, it's worth that just for junk prices, I guess. Can't really see inside on camera, but it is clean. I mean, it's not ripped up or anything. Hell, not bad for 200 bucks, right? It actually sold too. It wasn't on a call. Well, it's a big in there. Look at this thing. Woo! It's a big old truck. That's a whole lot of truck. I believe we got a little bit of alignment issue here on the hood. What do y'all think? I can see why though. Look at this. Yeah. Let's check out this Audi right here. I like this body style. I like the way the bumpers are all smooth and tucked in really nice. think it's a good looking car. 06, 164,000 miles. Let's see what we got here. She's black, I like that. I bet she'll buff out really nice. I don't see any body damage. I do see a little bit of paint peeling here. Oh no, it's not. That's just a sticker residue. So cool. That'll come off. She's actually fairly straight. She looks good. She got a couple little dings here and there. Nothing out of the usual, right? Let's see. Take a look inside. What is this? I'm not sure what these are. There's a whole cup holder full of them. Let's fire it up. Or no. Oh dang, she won't start. Got the key on. See if we can at least test windows. Can't test anything. I guess the battery's dead on it. Dang, I really wanted to look at this one. Unfortunately, she's got the rear seats all ripped up. And you know what? We sold one of these before. And it had the exact same situation. The back seats were just toast, where the rest of the interior was just fine. So, I don't know. Is that an Audi thing? Maybe you guys could tell me. But body-wise, she is a good-looking car. I did notice over here, it looks like tape residue, so I'm guessing this window probably doesn't roll up and down. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on it, see how much it goes for.
I got you 350, now 400, now 400, so.
So the Audi went for $850 on a call, meaning they are going to have to call the owner and see if he will take that bid, because apparently he wants more than that for it. If it turns out that it could run good, it'd totally be worth that $850, I'll tell you that much. Man, this is what I need right here, one of these. Well, this would come in handy, wouldn't it? This thing's in good shape too. The bed just goes on for days. Found some custom artwork, check that out. It's also got this on it, same car. I don't know, y'all. Oh man, look at this one, y'all. I love these cars. Look at this. This is a 04 Pontiac Grand Prix, 154,000 miles, and this thing is clean, y'all. Got the custom wheels. Look at these bad boys on the back here. Woo-wee. I'm liking that. Let's look at the inside here. She looks good so far. No unsightly rips and tears or any of that stuff. The dash looks good. It's not all busted up. And we're gonna have to keep an eye on this one. Let's get the hood up here, see what we're working with. Got that good 3800, the one we love, right? Check some fluids on it. I really do want to keep my eye on this car. The oil checks out. No milkshake, that's always a plus, right? Might check under the cap. We're looking for all that old milky stuff, you know. Underneath there, everything looks good. I don't see anything weird going on. I look for wires that are out of place. You know, sometimes when people get in here, start rigging stuff up, they start wiring in things and you get wires running around all over the place, and I don't like that. So I look for stuff like that. You can see here, we've got an amp wire for a stereo system. It's still hooked up. Let's go see if the stereo's still in there. Let's get in and have a look. So we do have a custom stereo. Check it out. Let's fire it up. She fired right up, but boy, I heard a knock. I mean, just like for a second. We've got an ABS light, traction control light. She does run really smooth though, but it does have a rod knock. I just heard it again. I'm shutting her down. I mean, I don't want to mess it up worse than it already is. Oh yeah, we'll stay away from this one, I guess. Dang it. I'm still curious what it goes for though. So that Grand Prix went for $2,700. Ooh, for a car with a rod knock. You can't hear it knocking going through the auction block though. but you can sure hear it knocking when you fire it up and you give it a little throttle. I guess they'll find that out when they get it home. Kind of like how I did on my Saturn, huh? That Saturn flip car that we're working on was the same way. It came through the auction block with no knock or anything, but by the time it was dropped off at my house, it sure had one. Well, that's the end of it. Auction's winding down. They're running through the last few cars now, and they're not weird cars, so no point hanging around for those. Some of you guys might notice that I don't really get out here to show y'all all the expensive cars, because that's not what we do here. I guess we could show y'all Hellcats and Corvettes and stuff, because there's some out here, but we don't really do that here. We do the weird cars. That's some old cheapies. Y'all know the deal. There's y'all a cool car right there. Anyway, we only show the cheapies around here because that's all we buy. And I assume that's what y'all's into. You wouldn't be here watching the videos every week, right? So I'll keep doing it that way, because that's the way you guys seem to like them. And why show cars I'm not going to buy anyway, right? This guy came prepared, man. He bought $2. Look at that. So yeah, anyway, man, that's what we do here. For anybody new, we just specialize in the most cheap A to B cars, you know, A to B transportation. We pick them up, you know, reasonably priced. Normally we pick them up reasonably priced. Things have been pretty high lately due to COVID and all that mess, but you know, typically you would pick up a car for around $1,500, take it home, give it the old weird beard treatment, and turn around and sell it for around $3 grand. And it's a damn good way to make a business. I enjoy doing it. It's a little difficult right now, but we're getting through it. And one thing we won't do is we won't come out to the auction and buy something out of desperation, like, oh my god, we got to get a car, we won't do that. If they're too high, and we'll just bounce. The trouble that I've been having lately at the auction is that there's not really any of those in-between cars. They're either too nice or they're just too crappy. And we need those in-betweeners, you know, the ones that just need a little weird beard treatment, you know, doll them up a little bit, throw a few parts at them, that kind of thing. Nothing too drastic. But unfortunately, the dealers are keeping those cars to themselves. They're not passing those on through the auction, usually. Only thing they're bringing through here is their junk. So you got to be very careful right now. But I like coming out here anyway. Even if I don't buy anything, it's nice to come out and keep you guys kind of up to date on the auctions. I know a lot of you guys are interested in what's going on at these auctions, and if the prices are starting to come back down and all of that. So we will continue to come to the auction, and we won't cry over spilt milk. If we can't buy something, then too bad. We just can't buy something. So hey, keep in mind, you know, we did flip our G6. We sold it. We made a good profit on that one. So we are in the market for a flip car, but we just can't find anything priced just right. Either that or somebody snatches it up, you know, so it's just kind of how it goes. But hey, no big deal. We've got a flip at the house that we're trying to get all dialed in, and we've got another flip that we're working on as well that I think you guys are going to like. So I think I'm going to get on out of here, you guys. Thanks for following along. I really do appreciate everybody watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. You guys stay tuned for more content on this old girl. That's the Saturn flip car, if you're not aware. And also, we've got another flip. I haven't showed you guys this one yet. You'll have to stay tuned. I am making some videos out of it, and we're smack dab right in the middle of that flip. So stay tuned. We got some more flip videos for you guys, so don't worry. You guys don't forget my Instagram link in the description. Check me out on Facebook. Get you a Facebook account so that I can notify you when I put a video out, just in case YouTube doesn't notify you. I've been saying this a lot. YouTube's funny like that. Sometimes they don't send out notifications, and if you want your own notification, get yourself a Facebook and friend request me. I'll answer your friend request, and then you will always know when I put a video out. We don't need no YouTubes to tell you. We can do it ourselves. We'll take care of it. In case you guys haven't heard yet, we got merch. So check out my store. Get you some t-shirts, all that good stuff. I'll be designing some stickers, some coffee cups, all that. So anyway, go check that stuff out. Appreciate all the support. We got a Patreon link in the description. You guys want to help out there. The address, if anybody wants to send anything, I know I get lots of comments. Where can we send it? Everything's in the description just below the video. Email address, the whole 9 yards. So anyway, I'll get out of here, you guys. I appreciate everything. I'll see y'all next time.